place where everybody agrees with me, then there's a problem. I will go away. But you as a leader must like everybody, even those who don't like you. Often at times, what makes you a good leader and people who give you the best advice are people who don't like you. Because what they say, you can use it to make a difference. As I go around, people tell me things I don't want to hear. But I saw it as governor. I saw that everything. I was telling somebody a good story. That I once went to discuss as a governor. I went to discuss with a woman leader about the constitution. A constitution of a community. Why it should be the constitution. And I was a sitting governor. And I was telling this woman, look at the constitution of this community. You must respect it. She said I should give her the constitution. I gave her the constitution. In front of me, she studied it. I threw it away. I said, we made this constitution. It doesn't exist any longer. And of course, my security people thought, how can this woman turn this constitution? But the woman was right. I was wrong. She was right. Thank you. What I was trying to urge them, even when it's not in their constitution, was, and I give you another example so that it will be more practical. I once supported somebody in my village, and from a town called Abu, to be President General of my town, and I'm the sitting governor, and I'm supporting a professor to be the President General. The people in my village were supporting somebody who did not go to secondary school. The constitution of my town says you cannot contest President General unless you have attended class 5 certificate. It's written. Go and ask anybody. And I'm supporting a professor, a very popular person. I don't want to call him because it's late now, but very popular. If I call the name of you, would know. That's the person I'm supporting. So I went to the village again to go and appeal to the villagers. In my village, I'm close to the women. And then again I came to them and said, please, I've come for you people to vote for this man. They told me, Peter, will love you. But for this election, leave this man out of it. We are tired of these people, this type of people. I went forward to tell them that the person I follow is not qualified. They told me that qualification is them who put it there. They will remove it. This is something people in my village, I've said it here now, they can go ask people. They said they're nothing. I went back to the person I'm supporting and said, listen, if we go for this election, we will lose. Of campaign, of the party, of everything. Because that's the purpose. So, those who are now telling unusual relationship between Labour, NLC, and the party, quite frankly, from my own personal understanding, NLC is involved in formation of the party. To the extent where they can determine what we do or not, I don't know. They can actually sack me tomorrow. I'm only going to investigate and be able to say to them, we need to carry this people along. NLC is very important. So we need to carry them along. That's what I'm saying. On the young girl who asked about the mentorship, my sister, question. Huh? Let me tell you. I'm prepared. I go to anyone. I hope you know that. I'm prepared to meet people. I go to everywhere I can to be able to guide people about life, about everything. Yesterday, through Zoom, I spoke to a graduating student of a university yesterday in Nigeria. I do that freely. Everybody will tell you, as a governor, I visited every secondary school and most primary school, every secondary school in my state and most primary school. So if you have anything you think you can do of use to, therefore let's eat. I won't be able to organize one, but I'll be able to find a way of attending one. I'll be able to. I want to say this critical thing. I'll take it to the person who said about number 3, about getting people who elected to come together to solve the problem of the poor people. I will say not only the elected people, all of us who are more privileged. I go around every day, visiting hospitals and everywhere, and I'm ready to be part of that. If there's anything they are doing to support those who are less privileged, we should be able to be by and supporting each other. None of us here is different. We are children of God. We are the same thing. So if you feel that God gave you more, share with other people. Don't look down on anybody unless you want to give the person more. That person is a child of God. Everyone I use your voice is very important. The get man is as important as the organized side. But without the get man, Oga will be inside. You leave the gate. So for me, driver, get man, and everything, I sit in the same seat with my driver, the person who drove me here now, went to see his family a week ago, or 2 weeks ago. I sat in the same seat with him in the plane. I was in 40, he was in 40. When we come there, it's my driver. But that driver is very important to me. And he's a child of God, we're the same thing. And as his organ doesn't make it peaceful, I sit in front of the car with him, we joke, we quarrel, we disagree. We are partners. So all of you, none of you, if you don't know, I see somebody, there's a young girl that sent me, I listened to his complaint one day. I just listened to her voice message. And I called him by 1 a.m. I said, can I have the phone number of this young girl? I saved it as an angry ObiDient. So I said, can I have a phone number? He said, no, I'll talk to her. I said, no. He didn't call your name, he called me. So I was the person who wanted to talk to her. So he gave me the phone number. And I called. And I said, I'm so person. For the next 30 minutes, he gave me a dressing down. And when she finished, I apologized if I was wrong. She was right. I was wrong. Because nobody knows everything unless you're an idiot. Because she was right, I was wrong. So I apologize. And I said this. Till today, we'll talk. Today we'll talk. And that's what I do with everybody. Some of you who are here have come, given me a dressing down. And the person I'm talking is, my daughter is older. My daughter is older than her. She left school still. And I said, this is my children do the same thing. Have a son who tells me that it's fine. That's why you're there. That's why you have to. So that's the same thing. I talk to so many of you here. When some of you here, I was bank chairman by 2022, 2021 in this country. I did everything. But I listen to people because I listen to them. The same thing, like I said when I was saying, about defending your dissent. People have accused me of all sorts of things. Don't think even that all these agencies that they invite people. People say, oh, the Peter. No, I've also been invited. I remember appearing to one of them and I asked him. He said, I bought this in my house in the UK in 1996. That was 10 years before I became governor. And he said he wants to approve. I said, let me tell you, this is my bank statement. Half of £1 million in 1996. I was a poor man. I was a poor man. The only difference is that God who gave me that money did not give me that money to use it to oppress people. He gave it to me to use this for humanity. And I'm doing that every day. I visit at least 2 hospitals every month. He didn't give it to me to use it to run people down. No. Nobody is poor. We are all children of God. So, mentorship, everything, the rest.